Hi guys, today I will show you the difference in blending with a blending stump, a brush and a paper towel, or you can say tissue paper. I will be using a Tombow Mono 100 B pencil and I will be using normal cartridge paper. First of all, I will do the same shading 3 times so as to use blending stump, brush and tissue paper on each one of these. Okay, so the 3 shading samples are ready. Now first of all I will use blending stump. I will give you the conclusion after using all the 3 tools. I didn't apply too much pressure on the blending stump. Now I will use a synthetic hair dry brush for the blending. With the brush I am blending very softly and you can see it is looking much smoother than the blending stump. Now I will use a third tool, that is paper towel. Okay, so the blending is done. Now I will use a Tombow Mono Zero eraser for checking which one of these works the best for adding highlights. Firstly I am erasing with very light pressure. Now I will use a little more pressure on the eraser. After doing this, I will give you the final conclusion. So with the blending stump, the blending leaves a grainy texture and also adding highlights was a little difficult. With the brush we can do the smoothest shading and also adding highlights was very easy. Tissue paper also did smooth blending, but it took away some graphite as well and made the shading little lighter than the original. Now I will tell you where can use all these 3 tools for blending. You can use blending stump for blending dark areas and you can use brush for blending light areas and you can use paper towel also for blending the light areas. Blending stump can also be used for blending detailed areas, for precise blending, and brush can be used for blending backgrounds or skin texture, and paper towel or tissue paper can also be used for blending backgrounds or also for base layers. So that's it. I hope you found it helpful. Subscribe to my channel if you're new here. Thank you so much for watching.